We just got this Motavera laser level. I get a lot of laser levels because we do a lot of excavating and transit stuff. So we're going to do something interesting with this today. This is the brand. It comes in a nice case. So it's called Motavera laser level. It's got a warranty with it. It's real small, and this is how small it is. And so we're going to test this outside today and see if we can use this as a transit laser on grades today and just see if it's bright enough. If not, it's not made for that really. It does come with a tripod that's in the case here, and it's actually a solid tripod. It's really got some weight to it. So we'll try this out. We're going to try it. We're going to use a grade stick that we've got with our other laser level and use that to see if we can see the line, because that's what you want to see, is the line on the grade level, the grade stick, to see if you need to go up or down with your grades. So otherwise, indoors, this thing will work fantastic. I know it will. Let's start with the stand. It's adjustable here. And so the legs are a little short, but they're not bad. I mean, it comes chest high. If you're going to hang pictures that are, say, at eye level, this is going to be the bottom of it right here. That's it. To attach the laser, there's just a little deal on the bottom. So we're going to swivel that on. We're going to do this before we take it outside, because this is, having a little laser like this, you don't realize how often you use it, but it's adjustable. We're going to turn it on, and then we're going to pull it over. The only thing, I'm not sure, it appears to be auto leveling. So let's just go over. And so if you're hanging pictures and you want to run down the hall with this, you can do that. So we can turn this and angle it down the hallway. You can see it going all the ways down. And so that's a nice little feature. It'll flash just because it's auto leveling. And then you've got your different planes up and down. So if you need to square something up, we can go right over here, and it lines up with the top of that light switch there. So I like this. Definitely has it's very simple. It doesn't have a bunch of confusing features like a lot of the laser levels. And so I definitely recommend it. It's light, simple.